No, guys, I forgot I was guys, I forgot that I was doing a weekly vlog. Arts work fly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite teacher at Reply, and today I'll be recording the day in the life of a teacher. Today is February the 3rd, so Monday, February the 3rd. So I'm recording the day in the life of a teacher. I have a few things to do. I have my evaluation to do, my register to complete, and my mark book to complete. What I do as a teacher, I get like a notebook to write those information in, then I transfer it to the government document, the government book, because I don't want to make any mistakes. We're not allowed to put like white outs in the book, and if we make a lot of mistakes, we have to start over. So what teachers usually do is to write them in a different book and then transfer it to the government book afterwards. So I have that to do. Oh, by the way, it's actually 9. I think it's about 9:30. Stay tuned and watch what I do. So the month of January is complete. So I'm gonna transfer the information from out the notebook and put it in this. And it has to be a black ink pen. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete this, then get back to you guys. And by the way, guys, I don't have a session right now, so I usually just do my work during that time. I write evaluations, and sometimes I get substitution. So sometimes I get substitution when I don't have any class in a session, in a period. Or I do my work, like my evaluation, my mark book and stuff like that, or prepare for the next class, because as a visual arts teacher you have to prepare for the next class setup and everything, ensure that you have all the material needed, etc. So now I'm going to jot in all this information. Alright guys, so I'm done with the register. It's still in pencil and it's now 11:15. It's now 11:15, but I can say I'm done for today. After school I will get the other information and just complete it, and that will be it. Yeah, so right now in 5 minutes I have a class, so I'm gonna go ahead and prep for that class. Alright guys, so I basically had class from the last time I left you until now. So some of this, we did some painting. Some of the students did not wash out the paintbrush, so I'm gonna do that now. I have paint on my hand, so I'm gonna wash out these paintbrushes. So yeah, this is one of the things that I have to do. If the students don't do it because you don't want your paintbrush get stuck together, even though you can use thinner to remove the paints, but I'm doing it right now so that it doesn't get stuck together because I have class tomorrow. So yes, so what I'm doing, I'm just washing out the paintbrushes. So I had 2 other class since the last. No, 3 other class since the last time I left you. 3 other class I had. Yeah, back to back, so there was no space to take up the phone or anything. So in here I keep all the papers. I'm gonna try and do it quickly. And the sink is a mess. The sink is a mess, guys, so I can't show you the sink. It needs a lot of scrubbing. So I'm gonna lay them down on the table to dry. Then tomorrow morning I take them up. Tomorrow morning when I come again. So I'm done with this. So I'm done, guys. I'm done. I hope you guys heard me. If not, I will do a voiceover. Outfit of the day is not the best. I don't like this black jacket with this blue pants, but I'm gonna show you just to see. Now, usually after a painting class, the place is a mess, so I'm gonna show you. Over here is fine. It's just things I need to hand out during this week. So over here is fine. It's just my table, there and there. So right now I'm gonna clean up. I keep the bottles sometimes just in case. Okay, so I'm gonna tidy my desk and pack up and every home. These are some books that the students gonna come for today. My paintbrush is also out there. It's drying, so I'll come back. This one should be. Alright, so this is my little bag. I'm gonna leave the paints for next class. So I have the paints inside my bag. Those are mine. Bag here where I carry the extra stuff. I have an extra bag just in case I probably stop at the supermarket and get something. I have a bag and I don't have to purchase any. So this I'm gonna keep in my hand because I have to sign the key out or in. I have to sign the key out in. So I'm planning on cutting this and put it in the art room because I want to reach 1,000 subs this year, guys. Alright, so let me deal with over that section now. It's for still life, guys. Still life. So anything the students leave inside the art classroom, I usually just put it in here. For example, if a students want a rubber or eraser or a rubber or sharpener, I can lend them these. So whatever I find in the art classroom, I will just put it in here, just in case they come for it or anything. This was a past student's brush, and she was looking for it. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I still haven't gotten to write my evaluation. I'm gonna go home and do that. Speaking of that, I need to carry home the evaluation book and complete it. My son is not feeling well, so I would have to go and retrieve him a bit early today. So yeah, because usually I would stay back at school and just complete these things, but my son is not well and I need to go and collect him. So speaking of that, I'm gonna collect my little evaluation book and bring it home. So yes guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Art Reply. It's now 8:28. Good morning everyone, it's 8:28 and it's on a Tuesday and I'm working. So I'm creating a banner, Black History Month. It's now 9:18 guys, but I have my class now, so I will see you soon. Bye guys. Alright guys, my class is done. I went and get something to eat, beef patty, tortilla and cran water. I'm not that hungry to be honest, but because of this vlog I decided to buy something to eat to show you the day in the life. So now it's lunchtime and that is what I'm eating. I know it's not enough, but as I said, I don't feel for a lot today. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna eat my lunch now, so I'll see you guys. Alright guys, so yesterday we left off at the banner that I was making. Then after the banner I had classes. Then after the banner I had classes back to back to back, and then it was meeting, and then I went home, so I didn't do anything for the rest of the day. Now today is a different day. It's already 2:45. That means school has ended. I didn't do much today, etc. Somebody's upstairs there cleaning and stuff like that, so that's why you're hearing the noise. So I didn't do anything different from that day. All right guys, but this evening as a teacher I have things to do after school, so I have a few errands to run after school, so I decided to vlog that now. So I have a My hair is still in a bun, still using the elastic band. This week is the last week, guys. So, oh Lord, I should have set an appointment. I'm gonna see if I can set an ear appointment for Saturday. Yes, I'm gonna see if I can set one, but stay tuned for that, guys. Alright, so outfit of the day, and then I'm gonna run some errands. I want to go to Digital to get a chip for my daughter. I want to buy some drawing pencils for the student. The student gave me the money to buy drawing pencils for them. I have to buy Crocs and socks for my child for school. What else? Oh Lord, Crocs and socks. I have to buy back some snacks because I've been eating the kids' snacks for school, so I need to buy back their snacks. I have a number of things to do today, so let's run those errands, guys. So this is the outfit of the day. I did remember to take yesterday. Guys, I'm not good at this. I'm just trying something, okay guys? I'm just trying a thing. 3B and 6B. Oh.
3 days. How much I get to?
2, 3, and 6. Put back that one.
Oh. I don't want anything else. Remember this?
Yeah, just that. I don't know. Yeah, that's that. Thank you.
Buy one of them to don't have the mouthwash.
Looking for 35. I'm not sure I can't wear go anywhere, man. I'm not that sure something now.
What size is that for?
I look for 35 in them, yeah.
25, I said?
30.
What color? Any color?
Any color. One pink and one blue, if you can. Alright guys, so this is what I got. The snacks are in this bag. Right. And this is the socks, this is the shirt, this is the pencil, these are the shoes, and then I got the gummy vitamins for the kids here, and I also bought the SIM card. Okay guys, now if this doesn't fit, I would have to bring them back down. Alright guys, today is February the 6th. Now I'm gonna do something for a teacher. So I just cut the yellow strips of artist paper. Okay guys, so I'm done. I'm gonna prepare for my class now. I have a full day of classes, back to back. So you're not going to see me until probably lunchtime or the end of a school day. Alright guys, so I will see you soon. Okay guys, so one of the things that I do is to prepare for my class by fixing the chairs and the stools so the class can be organized for when the students does come in. I'm gonna do that quickly so I can have my class organized and ready. All right, so let me put you guys down and tidy the class. Alright guys, so I'm done. So time to write on the board. So when the class come in, I can begin. Alright guys, so I've written on the board. The class is now tidied or organized. I have my register, I have my handouts, I have the drawings that the students should complete ready. I have extra rulers and pencils put out just in case some persons don't have anything. I have everything prepped for the class. So the class is gonna start in 10 minutes. So I will see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I just got a little bit of breather. I have class the next 30 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna write my evaluation, and then after that class is going to be, school is going to over. All right, so after that I have a class, so probably I take you along to the class, so we'll see how that goes. All right guys, bye. Hi guys, so it's the end of the week, and you know guys, I forgot I was doing Ooh, guys, I forgot that I was doing a weekly vlog. I didn't remember to vlog anything today, and today's Friday. Yesterday when I came from work, I had a class and I did not get a chance to video anything at the class. I totally forgot, and when I did remember, I didn't want to take the phone out and record anything. I wanted to show you clips of the class and what I'm teaching, the setting up, and what I did after work. And I actually bought a pizza, a small size pizza here. Oh my god, I'm not good at this. I'm trying my best. I'm trying. I need to do better though. I need to do better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close off this week's vlog, but I'm going to ensure that next week I vlog everything. Hopefully I remember guys. Probably I put my phone on timer or something like that. The only reason why I remember is because it's after school now and I'm editing the videos, this video here. Alright, it's after school and I'm editing the video, and then I realized that, wait a second, I was doing a weekly vlog. Where is today? So no, I'm here closing off the vlog. So let me turn it around and show you guys that I'm actually editing. Alright, so I'm transferring the files. So this is the file right here. These are the files guys, and I just remembered that I was vlogging. So yes guys, didn't remember, but I also wanted to do like outfits of the week for this week, but if anything I will put them on when I go home and add it to this video, what I wore for the week. So I'm gonna do that, but since I'm here now, I'm going to show you what I wore for today. Today is a Friday. Let me do that quickly. It's just a simple black blouse with a black top and a gray pants. That is what I wore today. All right. I want to go to the supermarket on Fridays now because I like that. I prefer going to the supermarket on Fridays now. So I'm not sure if I want to go to the supermarket or not because I already left late because I was editing the videos. And I need to pick up my child, so my children. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to go to the supermarket today, Friday. But I like going to the supermarket on Fridays now, so I don't have to leave my house on Saturdays. So we'll see how that goes. If I do, I will insert some clips of me going to the supermarket. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So that is the end of the weekly vlog. I will see you next week, guys. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing. Bye, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.